Hey there. Okay, I am doing this today because I get asked this question a lot, but I'm gonna show you how I put my DIY bun up on top of my head every single day, almost every single day, because I really don't like the feel of hair touching my neck or my shoulders, really ever, which is strange because let me tell you real quick, about 2.5 years ago, if you've been around a while, you'll remember that I lost about 75% of my hair. That's the truth. It was due to an autoimmune flare. I have autoimmune hepatitis, which was new onset at the time, or really not new onset. It had been going on a long time and I didn't know it was new to me. Anyway, I lost a ton of hair, not just like a little hair loss. Like I was to the point where I was gonna shave my head. But an online friend of mine told me about a product called Hair Anew, and I get it from Amazon, and I will link it here for a swipe up for the Amazon link because I'm asked that. I get emails and questions about it all the time. How did you grow your hair back? So, just to let you know, I wore headbands all the time, massive, like huge. It happened really quickly, really quickly. I had so little hair that if I turned my head sideways, like see all this hair that I have now here, like I have lots of hair here. Still not the hair that I used to have, but it's I'll take it. It's not the same, but I'll take it. Anyway, if I hung my head, you could see my bed through you. It was like there was no hair here. It was the pieces that I had were long, but there were so few hairs that you could see that whole scene. I took photos of it. I have a blog about it, but maybe I'll link that here about my hair loss. Anyway, so I started taking that Hair Anew. I also changed my entire lifestyle. I changed my diet. I'm sure you know about The Best You. It's an online program that I run for health and wellness, for taking better care of yourself and eating the autoimmune protocol way, which is what I do. So that has helped. And then those hair supplements, really, I don't even take them anymore, but I took them for about 2 straight years. So big thank you to Sherry. She's my online friend who told me about them. So anyway, okay, so here we go. I do have hair on. This is bed head, guys. This is me. I went to bed with my hair wet. I sleep with it in a scrunchie, old-fashioned 1980s scrunchie, Madonna, you know, Britney Spears, all the kind of scrunchy things. So is that even right? Was it Britney Spears? It was Madonna. Maybe I think it was Madonna. Cyndi Lauper? Maybe Cyndi Lauper. Ooh, I put Britney in with Cyndi Lauper and Madonna. Way big age gap. I don't know my entertainers. This is bedhead, so it can look good if I stand here and talk to you with it sideways like this, but otherwise it's a hot mess and I wouldn't go out this. So here's my hair from behind, so that you can see. I do have hair now, yay! Okay, so what I do, this is my updo. I lean my head back. Sorry, you're gonna look at my nose, but I lean my head back and I do like this. I loosen it up from my scalp because when you've been walking around all day, it like starts to hang and it's like flat. And then if you go to pull it up, it doesn't want to lift. So I lean it back and I shake out at the roots with my fingers. And then I leave my hair back like that. I reach underneath my head like this. And I turn my hands inside out because when I pull my hair up, I want my thumbs to be in front of my ponytail. I want my thumbs in the front. Not like, I don't want my hands like this when I come up. I want them like this. So I lean back, reach under in the nape of my neck, thumbs forward, and I just push up my scalp all the way to the top like this. So my thumbs come together. I've pulled my hair flat up against the back of my head and everything is going up. Everything's in the upward direction. Now sometimes it'll divide right here because this is where I had the most hair loss. So sometimes it'll divide up and I just do like that, but let's ignore that. Let's try that again. You ready? Okay, like this, reach under and pull up, just like that. My thumbs are on the top. Then I just hold it with one hand and I get my rubber band or my nighttime scrunchie. I like to sleep with a nighttime scrunchie. Let me get my rubber band off. Get my rubber band and I just grab hold of this little ponytail and I'm gonna do it 3 times. So I'm gonna take it 1, twist, 2, twist, however much hair you have. It just depends. When I didn't have any hair, I had to buy baby ponytails. These ponytails wouldn't work on my hair. I bought those little tiny plastic baby ones because I had no hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a hold of it with my thumb and my middle finger. I'm wrapping my thumb and middle finger around the back of that ponytail, just like that. I'm doing this because my sister was here and she also asked, and I had to step by step show her this. So now I'm gonna not let go, and I'm gonna pull this rubber band over the top, and I'm just gonna start pulling out with my thumb and my finger. I'm just gonna start threading that loop through there, just like that, until I get it just enough that that's about how tall my loop is. Now I have all this extra stuff, I don't even worry about it. You can do cute things and wrap it around like that. I just leave it. So now I have this loop, and I just take it and I pull it. Now it's high, this rubber band's up off of my head. I want that rubber band down on my head. So if I just leave it like this, this is what it looks like. So I wanna take it and pull it tight, and then just pull it out enough that it sort of relaxes a little bit. Now it looks like super pulled tight. I don't like that, you know, I'm 56, I need to, well actually it's kind of a facelift. I just pull my finger, I put my fingers in there and I just kind of loosen it up a little bit like that. Now when you do that, it loosens your rubber band again. So now you pull your rubber band down. Now I have these little sideburn thingies, and I just go like that. Just go like that. And that's that. That's it. That's my poof. That's my hair story. Thank you for sticking with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.